maybe let me add lang to what Mayor Benji said about the youth, no? Yung isa po siguro in common sa aming apat is we all won because of a huge youth vote. In all of our campaigns, yung kabataan po talaga yung isang malaking sektor na lumabas para supportahan kami. We saw that in 2022 when Ma'am Lenny ran for president. I saw that for myself in Baguio City when Mayor Benji ran and won twice. And in 2025, kami po ni Senator Kiko, a month before election day, gilid na gilid na po kami. No, I think si Senator Kiko was at 13 and I was 15, roughly, maybe 5 weeks before election day. But in those final weeks, we really felt a lot of people come out to support us, especially yung mga kabataan. And the difference was, this time, in 2025, they were registered, they campaigned very vigorously, and third, they convinced their parents to vote for us. So in the end po, si Senator Kiko was number 5, I was number 2 in the country. So, yung presence ng kabataan, ano po siya, hindi lang siya worth it na investment. It's probably the most crucial thing right now and the one that gives us the best hope for the next elections. Ito po siguro yung panahon na sinasabi lang yung mga kabataan may sariling isip na. Hindi na yan susunod lang sa kapitan or with all due respect sa mga mayors or ganyan. May sariling isip sila and they will vote who they think will be good for the country. And I think that should give us hope, no, for 2028.